Let's go through one small concept. It is about services in ROS. Let's call it ROS to services. So basically, what are services? Services are nothing but the mode of communication itself, like the node are communicating with each other. As we discussed previously about nodes, they communicate through a topic. Here, instead of topic, we have the request and response model. Okay, I will just define it in simple terms. So first of all, we have one client and then one server. The client sends the request message. Okay, so the request is to add two numbers. Okay, so that request will reach to the server and then the server will respond. Okay, so the response could be the response message, right? So the response could be the sum of those two numbers, right? And then it will be received by the client. So in this way, the services interact with each other. Services, the nodes. Okay, so the nodes interact with each other in services. Here we have two types of nodes. First node, which is a client, and the second node, which is a server, right? But what is the difference between a topic and a service? Basically, topics are used for the asynchronous communication that can happen between two sensors, and the services are used for the synchronous communication, that is for specific actions. So in this way the communication takes place in services. This was only about theoretical aspect of the services. In the next videos we will also see the practical side of it, but this was for today. We will meet in the next video. Till then, grow, learn.